Welcome back to Fix and Fab Garage. Ow!
2010 Nissan Rogue, 156,000 on. Broken exhaust again. See what we can do here. There you go. Pipe rotted. Typical. Factory pipe though, so it lasted a while. Little cut and weld. Gonna just do a little patch job. He can go ahead and replace this later. But for now, he needs a car today. We're just gonna go ahead and cut it up and put a little piece of pipe in there, weld it up, and get him on his way. So let me cut that out. Same tools. So good old Lincoln recip saw, a couple pieces of pipe, that's all you need. So let me get that cut out and I'll put a little piece of pipe in there fitted before I weld it. I'll show you, and then we'll weld her up and get him on his way. Alright, so we got that piece all chippy-chewed out. It's really bad, really thin. If you look here, that's like paper, but we'll get her welded. Now to fit a little piece in here and make some magic. So step 1 is done, let's get step 2 done. Okay, so this ought to be interesting. So this is the gap I'm gonna fill. Give you an idea here, like it's a gap. I'll fill up around here, do that first, get it where I want it, then just weld it, oh, all the way around, get that all filled up. I know I could cut the pipe on an angle to make it fit a little better, but whatever, I'll just weld her up. I ain't scared. So let me get this welded up and I'll show you what I come up with. I'll probably stop halfway to show you how it's going. So I'll be right back. So as usual, the good old little Lincoln flux core. Love this little machine. Today we got her set right down to 1. That's the lowest I can go. And I get 5 on the speed, wire feed. We're gonna give that a go. Like I said, this is what it looks like beforehand. Yuck. And I'm gonna weld up about half it, then I'll show you what it looks like. So give me 1 second here. So this weld here is done. This was actually the very thinnest. To give you an idea, I happen to roll on this and squish it because it's so paper thin. Don't know if that even does it justice, but I'm telling you, you can see how thick the pipe is supposed to be, and look how thin that stuff is. Well, this little welder was able to tack it up and get her welded. I also got the other side started. Oh, where am I here? There we go. I also got this side here started. So now I'm gonna come finish welding that good side. You can see how it goes really paper thin again. Well, and this is a good metal. So I'll finish welding that up, and then we'll continue to fill this gap up that I'm doing. This is a fun one. The size of that gap. But well, I got it started up there. I got the top done. So I'm just picking away at it, getting it done. My sister's car. If not, I just get a new pipe put in. But I'm trying to save her a few dollars. So I'll get that other side welded, and I'll start welding up here. Once I got about halfway, and I'll leave a big hole in the middle here, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay. So got this side all finished up. That's the front. There's the back. That's the back side. Now, you guys remember that big gap As long as you got patience, you can fill it. You can fill it. Okay. So I've got one little hole there. Don't worry about that little piece of wire or whatnot. That's nothing. Weld here, weld there, put a little spot in the middle. Weld there, put a little spot in the middle. Keep doing that back and forth. If you're seeing that it's getting too red, too hot, and too soft, well, jump up here, start working up here. Keep bouncing back and forth until you are able to close it up. So I'm going to close this up, finish up the job, let them go. Give you a quick picture once it's done. And there you have it, folks. All sealed up, ready for his next adventure. Bulletproof for now. So, like I always say, if I can do it, you can do it. Just gotta have a little bit of patience, a little bit of time. Don't be in no rush, don't get distracted. Just a very good machine. Keep that sucker turned right down. Keep that feeding pretty good so you don't have big blowouts all the time. Make sure you got enough metal flowing. You can get almost anything done. It's surprising. I love this little machine, no regrets. Recommend it to anybody at all. So, until next time, thanks for tuning in to Fix and Fab Garage, and we'll check you out in the next video.
Movavi.